Give us this day our daily bread, and today's daily bread comes from Matthew chapter 6, verse 20. Store your treasures in heaven, where moths and rust cannot destroy, and thieves do not break in and steal. Hello, and welcome to the channel. I'm V, here to help you make easy, affordable recipes that the whole family can enjoy. Today on the Sunday plate, we're having a slice of homemade coconut cake. These are the ingredients we'll be using for our recipe, and like always, I'll be sure to link them in the description box below. We'll start by measuring 2.5 cups of cake flour in a large bowl. We'll follow with baking powder and baking soda. Oh yeah, and salt. In a second bowl, add your room temperature unsalted butter, granulated sugar, and mix them both until creamy. After those are mixed, we're going to go in with our egg whites and blend again. Next, we're going to add our sour cream, vanilla extract, and coconut extract. We're going to blend those in as well, and don't worry about the mixture looking curdled. That's exactly what it's supposed to look like. Now we'll go in with our unsweetened coconut milk. Once our wet ingredients are combined, it's time to add our dry ingredients, and we're going to add those a half at a time. Now let's add our sweetened coconut. Now I've already prepared my Bundt cake pan by spraying it with oil and coating it with a little flour to prevent sticking. Let's add our completed batter to the pan and bake in the oven at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. While that's baking, let's start on our frosting. Now for the frosting, you're going to whisk together room temperature butter and cream cheese. Add powdered sugar, coconut milk, vanilla extract, and coconut extract. Blend all of those ingredients well. This is about the consistency you want to see. If you want a thicker consistency, just add a little more powdered sugar. Let's check to make sure our cake is done. And you already know, if that toothpick comes out clean, that means your cake is done. Let your cake cool before you frost it. Once it's completely cool, you can go in and add your frosting. frosted, add coconut flakes. And there you have it, homemade coconut cake. I hope you enjoyed this video. And remember, the most important ingredient for any recipe is love. If you're looking for your YouTube tribe, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.